Councillor Mark Pritchard, leader of Wrexham Council. I'm here today to ask everybody in Wrexham, North Wales and Wales to back the bid. North Wales time has come for us to be successful in drawing millions of pounds into the local economy to help and support the digital connectivity, transport and employment and business. So once again, please take the time out to back the bid and to support Wrexham to be successful in drawing down monies on the bid. Thank you.